Hello everyone and welcome back to another Tribble Painting Company video. Today I'm going to walk you through a project we completed in the heart of Ann Arbor in the summer of 2021. So what you see here is old flaky solid stain that was put on wood a long time ago. Just from judging how flaky it was, my best guess would be 3 to 5 years, which is about average in Michigan. This project was battling weather before we even started this project on a Friday morning. There's a lot of rain in the forecast for the next few days, and he didn't want our clients to be waiting on a half-finished project while the rain came rolling in. Unfortunately, these sort of things happen in the early stages of summer in our area of Michigan, but we had a chance to get it done and cut our project time down significantly and save our clients tons of labor time. We only had a few hours to get this deck sprayed out, but as you can see from the pictures and video, this is a really cool deck and built by clients who obviously love the garden, so we had to take some precautions and make sure we covered up all their plants and gardening areas first. We had a crew of 4 in this job. One of the best reasons to hire a company to do projects like this around your house is that we come with tools like airless sprayers and other hands that can really make quick work of projects compared to hours it would take someone to just do it by themselves. This deck had benches and railings all the way around it, so handwork would have been really slow and time consuming, and of course that equals labor costs for our clients, so we wanted to cut down on that and save them as much money as we can in the long run. When working with contractors, it's important you hire a crew that doesn't waste time on your dollar. The thing about solid stain is it covers so well, but unless you want to completely re-strip your deck, your best option is to do another coat of solid stain whenever you want to update it. Within a few hours on a Friday afternoon, Tribble Painting was able to get this deck fully stained, protectors and plastic coverings removed, and safely disposed of. We get the deck back that day. They had an upcoming graduation party, and we wanted to make sure we got it done for them and didn't have to wait around for us. Like always, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. If you can, that would be great. And don't forget to check out our other videos on our channel. You can see more before and after pics on our website. And check out our painting blogs while you're there. They really help anyone struggling with the world of paint, how to navigate our world, and figure a lot of stuff out from there. Thanks for watching.